Today we're going to view how to reconcile your invoices with your bank payments via e-banking. So simply what we're going to do, Magic Heidi doesn't have a direct connection with banks, so instead what you do is you go into your e-banking, you go into your account transactions, and then, for example, you simply download the transactions. So in UBS, this is very simple. You just click here to get the CSV or the Excel file of your transactions. And once you will have that file, you will go back into Magic Heidi and simply drag and drop, and we will automatically match payments to find out which invoices have already been paid. And it is extremely useful if you have 50, 100 or more invoices per month and don't want to manually just reconcile payments. So UBS is taking a bit of time. I will pause until this is done. The transaction file is downloaded, and I will now go back to Magic Heidi and simply take this file, and you will notice we have here two invoices that are awaiting payment, and I will just drag and drop this into the app. And automatically all the invoices and all the transactions will be compared. And you will see that the invoices are disappearing from the lists as the app processes them. There we are. And now we see that two invoices were marked as paid, and it was automatic. And you can do this as often as you want, and it's that simple. Thank you for watching.